All right, we'll continue reviewing for the final exam. This is for my Nova Online Math 261. We're reviewing for our final exam, and in this video I'm going to go over some questions that are similar to what you will see for question number 2. Okay, so let's solve this problem. Find a company's total cost function if its marginal cost function is C prime of x, and I have to make up something new, is equal to, let me think, I'm gonna make it a difficult one, not a difficult one, 3x squared minus 5x plus 2. I made it up. And I'm gonna also give you that the initial cost, not an initial cost, I'm sorry, I'm gonna change that the cost of producing, let's say, 7 items is equal to $300. Okay, so let's try this. This is gonna be similar to, I may have to do like 3 examples for question 2, but this one's similar to one of the items that you may see for question 2. So, all right, if you want to find the cost function c of x, and you have the marginal cost function c prime of x, you will take the integral of that c prime of x. So that's my first line. And on my next line, I'm going to do this. I say that I want to take the integral of 3x squared minus 5x plus 2. And let's go ahead and find that antiderivative. Look, I will write 3x to the, what's the new exponent? The new exponent goes up to 3. And I must divide by the new exponent of 3. Minus 5x. But remember, if it just says 5x, the hidden exponent is 1. And we always go up by 1. So I will have 5x to the second power. But I must divide this by 2. And this plus 2 will turn into 2x. Don't forget to put that plus c. So we found the cost function. It's not so pretty, so I'm going to try to simplify this a little bit, okay? So the cost function c of x is, I can simplify this 3 over 3 into just x cubed. 1x cubed minus 5 over 2 x squared plus 2x plus c. But remember, we had that initial condition, so I'm going to zoom out and find that information. This one right here. This is what I need. I'm going to copy this down here. Okay. What they are telling us in this initial condition clue is that if we plug in 7 into this function, I'm going to get 300 out. So this will give us what C is. Since I made up this problem just, using random numbers, we may not get a very pretty C value, but we can still try, okay? So if you plug in 7 into x, so x cubed will turn into 7 cubed minus 5 over 2 times 7 squared plus 2 times 7 plus c, some unknown c, then we are going to get what number? 300. So look, this is where I pick up my calculator because I'm about to type this part in a calculator. Let me see. I may have a nice calculator. Calculator 84, I'm going to use this. Okay. I forgot what it was though. Okay. 7 cubed, wasn't it? 7 cubed. And then, I don't know, I can't remember stuff. Minus 5 over 2, 7 squared. Minus 5 over 2, 5 over 2, 7 squared. Right. I can't remember anything. Alright, what's next? Plus 2 times 7. Okay. Plus 14. Plus 2 times 7. I type all those in. And I hit enter. It gave me 234.5. 2345. Oh, that's cute. 234.5. Okay. So this was 234.5. And then I'll bring down this plus C. Plus C equals 300. You know what I'm about to do to both sides? I'm going to subtract both sides by this number. That will give me what C value is. So C equals 300 minus 234.5 equals 65.5. Okay, 65.5. Now, I just have to write my final answer. I know what the answer is. So the cost function, the final cost function, here's the answer. C of x is equal to x cubed minus 5 over 2x squared plus 2x. See, I was reading this line. Like we knew everything about that cost function except for that C, but now we know what that C is. C is 65.5 plus 65.5. All right, so that's how you can find the cost function given a marginal cost function and an initial condition clue. Ooh, long answer. But I can do another one. And you guys can always stop the video if you feel like you got this problem. But let me do another variation of this that has a slightly different, maybe I'll do, 2 more just to be comprehensive. So here is question 2B. Okay. Find a company's total cost function if its marginal cost function is C prime of x equals 15x minus 3 and its fixed cost is, I'm going to make up a number, $50. So here it goes. If I want to find the cost function C of x, then I need to take the integral of that marginal cost function. So what is the integral of 15x minus 3? What do you need, Noah?
It's the lunchtime.
I know. Can I just finish this? Go outside. I'll see you soon,
Didn't
okay?
you work for later?
No, I have to finish this problem. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Alright, I have to go soon after this. So let's take the integral. 15 x to the what power? Well, the old exponent was 1, so we go up by 1. So x squared, and we divide by that new exponent of 2. Minus 3x plus c. Alright, so we wrote the cost function c of x. Now I need to use that initial condition, and they worded it out. They said the fixed cost is $50, which means even if they don't make or sell any of this stuff, they still have to pay $50 as a fixed cost. So this is giving us that C of 0 is equal to $50. So watch, if we plug in 0 in for x, the cost will still come out to be 50, which means, notice this entire part is equal to 0, right? So guess what? C is equal to 50. So here's my final answer. Let's write the final answer. C of x is equal to 15 over 2 x squared minus 3x. See, that's what I'm writing. But now we know that C is equal to positive 50. So plus 50. There's another variation of this, but it's really similar. I think the other one is, let me read. The other one is marginal revenue. Yeah, so, but it's really similar to this, but I think I'm gonna have to go now. So if you guys want me to do another example of question 2, you just email me. We can go over another one, but in this video, we went over 2 questions for question 2 on the final exam. That was working with marginal cost function to find, and initial condition to find the original cost function.